Languages can be the heart of a culture. When you're traveling to different countries or communities, even learning a phrase or two can help to make friends, to open somebody up to help you, but also to learn about the environment that you're going to. Now today in this video, we're going to learn a few key phrases in Spanish to teach you to help when you're traveling or even just to learn at home. Welcome back to Live Free TV. My name is Sarah, Live Free Warrior. Today we're breaking down a few key phrases in Espanol that you can learn at ease and take with you when you travel. I'm also going to link below a blog that you can reference. You can see the spelling and grammar as well to have as a reference in addition to this video. To note too, I live in Miami, so it's a little bit of a necessity to know a few phrases in Spanish. Pues vamos a empezar. Let's begin. Key phrases in Spanish. So we're going to start with basic. Hi, hello, hola, hola, hola. Good day, buenos días. Good afternoon, buenas tardes. Good evening, buenas noches. To note, buenas noches is after 8 or 9 p.m. It's a little different than in the States, but the afternoons tend to go a little bit longer than most Spanish or Hispanic cultures. To note, I'm fine, thanks. Bien, gracias. I want. Yo quiero. I need. Yo necesito. How much is it? ¿Cuánto cuesta? Excuse me. Permiso, permiso. You might have to say that a couple times, but it gets across finally. My name is, me llamo, and then insert your name. Nice to meet you. Mucho gusto. This one's important. Where's the bathroom? ¿Dónde está el baño? I do this a lot. Where is? ¿Dónde está? Thank you and no thank you. Gracias, no gracias. I don't understand. No entiendo. Do you speak English? ¿Habla inglés? Can you help me? Hang tight, gringos. ¿Me podría ayudarme? I hope these phrases were useful for you. Hopefully you use them in an upcoming travel or trip or just to learn on your own at home. I love learning languages, so any languages that you want to see featured here on Live Free TV, comment in below or let me know what are some key phrases that maybe I missed. There are so many to add that I had to shorten it down, but of course, the list is endless. Don't forget to subscribe to Live Free TV, hit the bell for notifications for weekly videos, and follow along my journeys and travels in life and around the world on Live Free Warrior on Instagram. Talk with you soon. Hasta muy pronto. That's a bonus one. Let's see you soon.